Imagine a universe where machines create art, music, and even entire movies. This is not science fiction, but the reality we are rapidly approaching. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is here, and it's transforming the world of content creation at an astronomical rate. The universe of content creation is expanding faster than ever before. AI is the force driving this expansion, creating a big bang of possibilities for those willing to embrace it. This is especially true for platforms like YouTube, where the competition for views and subscribers is as vast as the cosmos itself. YouTube is a galaxy teeming with content. Billions of videos compete for attention, each vying to become the next viral sensation. For creators, navigating this vast digital expanse can feel like piloting a spaceship through an uncharted nebula. The sheer volume of content uploaded every minute is staggering. This creates a challenge for even the most seasoned YouTubers. Standing out from the crowd requires more than just great content. It requires understanding the forces that govern this digital universe. AI offers a powerful set of tools to navigate this complex landscape. Like a telescope revealing hidden wonders, AI can help creators understand their audience, optimize their content, and ultimately reach new heights of success. Two of the biggest black holes threatening a YouTuber's success are fierce competition and ever-changing algorithms. Millions of creators vie for the same viewers, making it increasingly difficult to break through the noise. Adding to the challenge, YouTube's algorithm, the force that determines which videos get seen, is in constant flux. What worked yesterday might not work today, leaving creators in a perpetual state of uncertainty. This can be disheartening, especially for those pouring their heart and soul into their craft. Section 4, AI to the rescue, a telescope for content optimization. AI offers a beacon of hope in this seemingly chaotic environment. AI-powered tools can analyze massive datasets of viewer behavior, identifying trends and patterns that would be impossible for humans to discern. Imagine having an AI assistant that could analyze your past videos, identify what resonated most with viewers, and suggest topics, keywords, and even video titles most likely to succeed. This is the power AI brings to content creation. By understanding what viewers want, creators can tailor their content to maximize engagement, effectively navigating the YouTube algorithm. Section 5. The time warp of content consumption, AI's next big bang. But AI's impact on YouTube extends far beyond content creation. It's also poised to revolutionize how we consume content. Imagine a future where AI can personalize your YouTube experience, curating a feed of videos tailored precisely to your interests. Imagine AI generating real-time summaries of long videos, allowing viewers to quickly grasp the key takeaways. Or picture AI translating videos into different languages, breaking down language barriers and connecting people across cultures like never before. This is the future AI promises. A future where content is more accessible, engaging, and personalized than ever before.